Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energy starting from 22nd till 28th of November. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take as it resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? So in this reading I'll be looking at your overall energies, what you are going through, what needs to be changed, what was present, what was the past, what is the future. So a lot of energies we are going to check, okay? You and your person's energies, everything. Let's see what's going on with my Taurus. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want, okay? So Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. What's going on with my Taurus? 22nd till 28th of November. At the back of the deck we have the 10 of Pentacles. So there could be a marriage or there could be a relationship, a stable relationship which you are dealing with, or it is in your energy. You might be celebrating something, you might be going on a vacation, or you might be going on marriage something, you know, attending somebody's marriage or something like that. We will see what is this, but this is definitely your stable and marriage energies which are coming up for you. Let's see. So what's the situation like, and or we can say what do you need to understand about the situation right now? So it is the High Priestess energy, might be dealing with a Pisces over here, and the problem of the situation is the 8 of Pentacles. It's like you are thinking about something and you know what's going on around you. The problem is it's not working out. The problem is you're not able to, you know what is the problem, you know what is the situation like, you know there is some communication error, or there is some miscommunication thing, there is something which you can mend, but you are not able to work it out, okay? It could be a relationship, it could be something like a project in your work, in your office, or you know the problem but you do not know the solution, or you do not know how to find a solution, or if you know the solution also, you do not know how to implement it. This is the situation like. In your heart we have the 3 of Wands. So this could be a message, or this could be an offer you are waiting for from your heart. So you are really, that can be a reason you are not putting a lot of effort into that situation at present, and because you are waiting for something else to come towards you. So this could be a person's energies which you are waiting for, you know. There is a problem, but you are waiting for that person to message you or call you or to communicate with you. In the recent past we have 5 of Pentacles. There is an energy of feeling left out in the cold, where you were the one who could be left out, who could be feeling, or you could be the one who left somebody, okay? So just take as it resonates. In your head we have in your mind we have the Hierophant energy. So this is strong marriage energies coming up. So you might be getting married to this person because of this 10 of Pentacles as well in your overall energy. So there could be a distance which has been created like in this marriage, or you could be like, you know, you could be engaged, or you could be going to get married after a certain time, but yeah, there is that pause now, and you know that pause, and you are not able to do anything about that situation. In the coming future we have the King of Cups. I see something is going to get resolved, but we'll clarify whether this is a parent figure. I feel that somebody's parent will be going towards to find a solution. Either your father or mother, somebody who is elder to you, somebody who is mature, and somebody who can help you out in the situation. So there's definitely somebody's energy which is coming up. Your energy, something which your actions are telling us, is the Two of Cups. You feel that this person is your soulmate. You want to get married to this person. It's your overall energy for this person, because you have that stable energies with this person. But what about this person? Are they serious ones? Because we have the Page of Pentacles. They have always been in this relationship, but when it comes to commitment, they are not ready to pay commitment, to show any commitment to you, to pay any 100% into a relationship. And that is why somebody is, the problem is somebody is not willing to put effort in this situation. Message from the universe is the Queen of Pentacles. Might be because of some financial issues. It could be a mother over here who could be a problem. So the universe is telling that it could be better, it would be better if you talk to an elder person about your problem and find a solution for it. Okay, money could also be a reason. So just you need to understand what exactly that situation is. And Judgment energy is the last card. So this is something which you can do to find a solution to your problem. So this is with the Judgment energies. It tells us that the judgment has come up now, and it's like the decision making needs to be done really fast. If you will stop, see, tarot will only tell you guidance. Okay, we will give you guidance energies, but the decision making will be done by you at the end. Okay, so what the process is, what the situation is, you need to clarify that situation, whether it's your situation or not, and then finding a solution. Then what to do next will be your call. Okay, so let's clarify it, something more about it, like whether some points you might have missed. Let's see. Tell me 10 of Pentacles energy for my Taurus. Wow, 10 of Pentacles clarified by 10 of Cups. So this is your energy, overall energy. You want to get married to this person. There are emotions which are running high in the situation. You want to get connected with this person because you already connect. There is that emotional connection with this person inside, in between both of you. What is this High Priestess about? I want to know. Ace of Swords and the Hermit. I think there is some unclear conversation which is going from a long period of time. Either your person never wanted to get married. If this is a marriage thing, your person didn't want to get married to you, or there was something toxic in the relationship in the past. But there was something which was kept hidden from some people, or from you, or you from them, and the clarification hasn't come yet. There is that cloak energy. See, this person is wearing a cloak, so you might be wearing a cloak to hide your problem, to hide that thing, and you didn't want to work on that thing. So that is why the things went on increasing, and now it has come up at that place where the problem is so much that you can't even find a solution to your problem. You might be dealing with something like this. Let me clarify this 8 of Pentacles energy for my Scorpios, for my Taurus. I am sorry because I was just seeing this King of Cups continuously, so it's Scorpios. Might be dealing with a Scorpio, okay, or might be a Scorpio watching this video right now. Okay, so with the Six of Wands, I feel that, yeah, I feel that there is some ego problem as well. Somebody doesn't want to work on this situation because of an ego, because of like, why should I work on this thing? Either you or either your person could be in this situation, like, I will not do anything, you have to come to me, I will not come to you. Okay, it could be that thing. Tell me more about the 3 of Wands in the energies, what the heart energies of my Taurus are saying. From your heart, it's the Nine of Cups. You want to make your wishes true. You are waiting for them to call you. You are waiting for them to at least answer you back. You are waiting for them to make a move. This is something which you are wishing for a lot. You might be manifesting for this thing, and but it's not happening at present. You are feeling that things are not happening the way you want them to happen. Tell me about this Five of Pentacles in the past energies for my Taurus. Too many. Taurus energies in the past. The Empress. There could be a mother also involved in the situation, or a feeling of being kept, at a certain time. Your person might be feeling that you have given a lot of love to them, but all of a sudden you might have stopped that love, or they might start to feel that you have stopped giving the same love which you used to give them before. Let me clarify what more can be done. Yeah, Seven of Swords energy. I also get an energy of somebody, they might have cheated you in the past with some other woman. So with the Empress we have, she is sometimes the second woman of the deck. Okay, like a third party situation, woman or a man. But yeah, there was definitely, and that is why I feel that either you both are getting married or you both are already married. Okay, so this could be something like that. And your person might have deceived you, might have betrayed you in the past by being with someone else, and this is something which is keeping on, like coming back. So you are wanting them to come back to you as soon as possible. I think that you are really ready for their um the deception which they have done. Yeah, I'm also getting a vibe of I don't know, but with the High Priestess and the Devil, I just saw this combination. There's something evil also over there which is happening, which might be somebody is doing something evil. Okay, so I don't know, but this is strong evil energies. I do not sense, but sometimes it just comes all of a sudden. Okay, tell me about the Hierophant. What's going on in my Taurus head, in Taurus mind? Hierophant. Page of Wands, Four of Cups. You want to communicate, you might be stalking them, you might be trying to find answers, investigating, but at the same time you are getting a no. You are trying to contact them, but they are not ready to contact you yet. So that is what is there in your mind, like whether they are going to contact you or not. So this could be that thing. Tell me about this Ace of Cups in the future energies, which will be affected by the present energies. King of Cups, the World, and Queen of Pentacles. One more, the Emperor. So I feel that somebody is going to take charge of the situation, no matter in a bad way or in a good way or in just ending way. But yes, there is somebody who is coming, like, face to face. I see face to face energies. Yeah, somebody is coming up, somebody is ready to talk. Both are very stern, both are very stiff energies, because this is the energy of Aries and Capricorn. So very stern and strict energies coming up, bossy energies, like I'm ready to talk to you no matter. Okay, so what do you want me to do? So some kind of communication is coming your way. Might be a communication for closure, but there is definitely a communication coming your way. Two of Cups energy. What are your actions? I feel that you are ready for this person to come back and talk to you. You are waiting for them to take you out on a date, or do not let them hung up on you. And this is what is happening. They're hanging you, they're hanging the decision making, they're keeping on, avoiding or delaying the decision making, which they need to do really fast. And yeah, Queen of Swords energy. Somebody needs to talk it out, somebody needs to take a decision, but this person is being very much bad and might be rude as well with you. But you are ready for them to come back and for them to connect with you, or you are ready for it because you love them. But what about them? Do they love you? Okay, let's check. Page of Pentacles energy. Taurus person's energy towards Taurus. Six of Swords. They are moving away, Taurus. They are going towards somebody else, or they're going towards the calmer waters in the situation. You are waiting for them to learn their lessons and to come back to you, but I don't see them learning any lessons over here because they are not ready to give you any commitment at this time. Okay. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles energy for my Taurus. Page of Cups. Universal message. Yeah, universe is trying to tell you that some things which you are not able to see, you will be able to see after a certain period of time. Somebody might be helping you in this case. Might be a Pisces or a Capricorn or a Libra. Okay, somebody could be helping you in the situation, so be prepared for that. So the universe is sending someone for help. Tell me more about the Judgment energies in the resolving of the problem. Like what can my Taurus do to resolve this issue? Ace of Pentacles. Start afresh, start new, take a stand, take a decision, and don't wait for the old people to come back. Go towards something which can give you someone who can give you stability, who can give you that happiness which you require. And if any problem comes in the relationship, that person might also mend the situations between both of you, not leaving you left out in the cold. Okay, so this is something which the universe wants to tell you. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Taurus. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.